This is Marco from eprogram.com. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose a research topic. There are 5 things you want to consider when you choose a research topic. Number 1, interest. Number 2, good to know, need to know. Number 3, easy to be funded. Number 4, trend. Number 5, new ideas. Interest. If you like something, you can do better. For example, you may interest in robot. You are willing to put more effort in this area. So interest is very important. What is good to know? What is need to know? On the top is 2003 MRI was developed and the 2 people earned the Nobel Prize. That is very important. That is considered need to know because it changed the world. Now, on the bottom, you see there are some people investigate how I took a holiday from being human. Is that something need to know? No, it is just something good to know. If the project is easy to be funded, then you are more likely to be success in the project because money is a critical factor of your research project. For example, there are 2 topics. Number 1, build a device to communicate with UFO. Number 2, build a robotic leg to help physically disabled person. Which one would be more easy to be funded? Obviously, it would be topic number 2. Trend. Trend is something very important. Nowadays, do you want to work in Yahoo or Google? Do you want to use EEG? EEG is bring signal. Do you want to use EEG to control a robot or AI to control a robot? So this trend will affect your career, will also affect whether you can find funding. So the trend is very important. The last one would be new ideas. You have interest, your topic is need to know, your area should be easily funded, and you follow the trend. The key point is whether you have new ideas to contribute to this area. All of these are important. I hope this presentation helped you.
If your research or engineering projects are falling behind, eprogrammer.com can help you get them back on track without exploding your budget. Let us know what you need. You'll find relief here. Visit eprogrammer.com. We can help you.